YouTube, what's going on? Back with another video, y'all. Uh, Before we get to the video, I want y'all to like, share, subscribe, turn on with me when I drop new videos. Hit that subscribe button for me. Hit that subscribe button. Uh, this video is I'm about to install what do you call this? The digital dash for the MC. Hold on, y'all. Well, I'm not about to install it, but I got to take the old one out. So y'all can see I'm about to put this in the MC, but I got to take the old ones out first. I'm about to take y'all right on with me. About to try to see what I need for taking the old dash out. I think I need a Phillip. I got one in the car already. So yeah, again, so that's what we about to do. About to take. Hold on. Time. Yeah, y'all. Good angle. So yeah, guys, it is still cold. I mean, today is February the 10th. It is 50, not 50, 45 degrees today. It's not too cold, so that's why I'm out here. If it was cold, I would never be outside trying to do this. Y'all gotta bear with me. Oops. Got this thing hooked up here. Got my engine drink. So I gotta see one Phillip. Seemed like that they already whoever had this car before me, or the person who I bought the car from, like they already had took the when I got the car, you know what I'm saying, it was the it was hit. Y'all see that? Just keep dropping on me. So I don't know. Might put y'all on time lapse. Oh Lord. There we go. So I do gotta get some more screws for this, but I'm gonna go ahead and put y'all on time lapse. Alright, gang. I'm back. So I had this, took the whole dash, well, the whole, how I can say it, not the whole dash, but the whole gauges down. So I got everything over there inside the passenger seat. So everything is taken off. So now what I'm about to do is, so now I'm gonna have to go back and watch some more videos, because I think I got to remove this right here. First way, it won't be touching on the what's that when I hook up the digital dash. So for this way I can get to, let's see how can I take, okay, there we go. I can take everything off, but I'm not about to cut my wires and stuff like that. So I'm I got some what do you call it? Some connectors for this way. Some tied ends for the wires. So I'm gonna have to go back and watch some couple videos real quick, and if I can get this what's the name hooked up, I cut y'all back on after I watch some couple videos, and I'm gonna have to make some wires long. So I'm gonna have to go and get some wires, everything for it. So right now what I'm about to do is I'm about to go back in the house, because y'all see I got everything off. So that's why I'm about to do. This is what this video about, hooking up. Since there ain't no motor is in there yet, I can at least go ahead and get this hooked up. And when I get hooked up, I'm gonna hook up my battery charger too, if I can power up the car so y'all can see it. But I got the instructions is on the back of here to tell me, but I'm gonna go ahead and watch more videos. And my boy has sent me the color code, because it wasn't inside his Monte Carlo. So yeah, gang, so that's what I'm about to do. Put everything in the car real quick, and I'm gonna cut y'all back on after I get finished watching some couple videos to install this, and I'll cut y'all back on shortly. Alright, gang, I'm back after I want to say a week. Yeah, probably like a week, because I had to order some hardware for the dash I got for my homie. So I'm about to show y'all what I have ordered. I left the hardware. But I already had started hooking up the wires onto the dash. So I had did that off camera. So now I'm about to start hooking up onto the car. So I'm about to show you what I had ordered. So I had ordered these connectors. You got a male and a female. But this way, if you don't want to cut into your actually 100s on the car, So I had used these for, and y'all can get this off of Amazon. So I had ordered this on Amazon. So go, hold on. So it goes just like that. So you might have to extend some wires, you might not, but I didn't. So I'm about to get to that in a minute. So I'm about to then I ordered these too for this way. I think I'm still gonna have to cut into the harness is inside the car. These will go on here. Let's see. Yeah, it go on just like that, and then you just stick this one. Hold on, give me a second. Go on just like that. This way it can be connected to there and onto the wire on the car. But I think I'm gonna have to. It can look like I'm still gonna have to cut into it. So what I did right now, so for that I get to that in a minute. So what I had did, I hooked everything up onto the altimeter, I guess it's called, dash, and I had to get some hardware for this can, for the plastic, the clamps can hold on to the actual altimeter, and then you can use your regular hardware for it to hold this inside place. So what I did was I connect everything up onto there. Turn around. Switch it up. So what I did was I number them. What is what. This is 1. This is 2. And this is 3. So this right here is like for the turn signals and the speedometer, the speed tap. But remind you, this go on the back of your transmission. If you got a 350 transmission, 700 transmission, or a 400 transmission, this will go on to the back of the trans. You gotta do is just screw it on, but you got to extend the wire from the transmission to all the way up to here. So I ain't gonna be better to do that yet because I ain't got no motor and transmission in the car yet. So I was just gonna wire everything up, but I am gonna put power to it for the dash can come on for y'all can see what I had did. So basically I everything I had to write down, like power and ground, yellow wire, hold on. Yellow wire is for the fuel, white wire is the fuel ground. What else was this? Blue wire is for the temp gauge. The green wire is for the tech. So all of them is all on one. And then this is all 2 is all on turn signals and the speed gauge. Connector 3 is this right here. There's some ash wire, so I didn't cut it. So I might not cut it, 'cause I might add something to it, but I don't know yet. Uh, this for the dimmer. Oh no, I think I messed up. Okay, this is for right turn and left turn. So what's these right here? Oh no, okay, that's for the oh, okay. This is the blue one is for the oil ground, and the yellow is for the oil pressure. So that means uh dang it. So this right here is the oil sensor for it. So you got the ground, and then you got the positive for the oil sensor. And then the green one is the temperature gauge. So I got everything leveled. So I'm about to go ahead. I'm about to go into the wire on here, and I'm about to start plug everything up, and I'll cut y'all back on after I get plug one hooked up. So give me a second, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. I just wanted to cut y'all on and let y'all know what I had did so far. So what I did so far is I had connect all the connectors on the edge on the wire, and I did have to cut into the wire harness. And y'all see it, right? So basically what I got, these is the turn signal. So basically this all I need from off of this wire harness, I guess. So it's my first time doing it. Power, ground, fuel pump, ground. I'm gonna have to run that probably somewhere down there. I'm gonna have to extend the wire to down there. Tech and the tech and the temperature. So I got to run 2 wires from here, well, from outside the car, but I ain't gonna worry about that right now. That's gonna be down the line so I can finish doing that. But I'm about to show y'all I do have power. I plugged up power. Y'all can see the down light on. So how to hook up power when you ain't got no motor and trans in it. All you gotta do is you got like a battery charger. You can hook up the power wire and the pink wire together for to have power, and then you just hook up the negative onto the frame. It's for this way that you can check and see if everything on the the dash probably gonna come on, but everything is not gonna be accurate to I get the motor in here. So what we about to do is about to hook up the dash up. Got the light. I gotta see where I can set y'all up at because I need both my hands. So I hope this is the dim light. So then put that down. Let me see here. Grab the dash. I'm just giving y'all like a video to when I get done. We just gonna check and see how I can set y'all up. Cause having y'all inside my lap, it ain't gonna do it. No, it's gonna have to work. Right, gang? So, where you at? My one at. My one plug. I think it's off. So I'm about to plug up. So that one. The rest is I'm not gonna plug up yet. We just want to see if this come on. Then I might I do gotta get a whole nother cover part. Y'all can see it's cracked. If y'all can let me know if I can get another one at this way, if I can get a replacement. So let's see, y'all. I got everything plugged in. Let's see what's gonna crack. Y'all ready? Ooh, y'all look at that. I did it, guys. First time hooking it up. I gotta get a picture going on for my Instagram and TikTok. So, like I said, guys, everything is not accurate yet. To everything is inside place. Volts meter. I ain't got that. Y'all getting, well, this not accurate. That's not accurate. That's not accurate. The oil pressure is not accurate. This not accurate. So stop that. Okay. So that was these little buttons for. So I'm about to try the turn signals. See if I got them. See, I can't. I don't know how I'm gonna set y'all up, y'all. I want y'all to see, though. But the steering wheel in the way, though. So, okay. Let's do this. Can y'all see? See? Nope. I get the turn signals, everything. For the fuel pump, water pressure. This is. Where's everything at? Going to here we got the plug right here. And all this right here. So what's this? You got the one stuff for the dim light. I'll hook that up in a minute. So we got the two wires for the turn signal. Trying to make sure y'all see. It was kind of easy to do, but hooking everything up it's not quite like I expected. So we're gonna go left turn signal, but I don't know. Let me see if that's the right, that's the left one. Left turn signal. So we about to see, guys. See which one it is. Dark blue or the blue. Oh, there we go. Y'all see it? Sweet. So this one. Hold on, guys. Time to do the left one. Okay, guys, we about to check for the left one. There we go. So that one's on. So yeah, guys. So I'm not even go put a collar on. Oh no, I got the buzz and stuff off because I got brand new lenses for down there. So what I'm gonna do now, gang? I'm gonna go ahead and finish hooking everything up and get all the wires and stuff ran for the temp, oil pressure, and for the tech. So there y'all have it. So the actually dash is hooked up. So y'all like, share, subscribe, and tune in with me when I'm dropping these videos. I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm trying to see what's gonna be my next thing I'm gonna do to the MC. Y'all like, share, subscribe, and tune in with me, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to tell y'all. When I get the motor and everything saturated, I will do another video with the dash and let y'all know everything is accurate on it, like the fuel, the temp, the speed, the tech, fuel, tech, speed, oil pressure, and the temperature. I will be making another video on that when I get the motor and everything situated. So yeah, y'all stay tuned for the next video, and I'll holler back.